Hi, I'm RV, and in this video, we will be showing business owner Daisy how to set up sales invoicing templates in Xero. But before we get started, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to get notified when we post more content like this.
Hi RV. Thanks for the video call.
No problem. And nice to meet you, Daisy.
I'm new to using Xero, and I need help setting up tailored invoicing. Can you walk me through the steps?
Absolutely. The first step is to choose a suitable invoice numbering scheme. You can use a sequential numbering system or a custom numbering system that includes letters or numbers. And if you've been sending invoices from the business already, you can start the numbering from where you left off in the old system. To do this, first choose Settings in Xero. Now choose Invoice Settings. And then, Default Settings. Now enter the prefix and number for the next invoice to be generated here. And finally, save the changes. This page is also where you can set the default due date that will be automatically added to invoices. This can still be amended when a specific invoice is being created. But if payment is usually due a number of days after the invoice is raised, or say at the end of the following month, then you can set that as the default here too.
Great! We were using word processing software before, so I'm glad we can continue numbering from where we left off.
The next step is to upload your logo, if you have one, and to customize your invoice template. This will give your invoices a professional look that reflects your brand.
That makes sense. And can I add payment terms?
You certainly can. We'll cover that in a moment. But first, if we head back to the invoice settings page and scroll down to choose the branding theme we want to customize. Or if needed, we can create a completely new branding theme here too. Then choose Change Logo from the Options menu. And upload your logo file, paying attention to the optimum size and file formats. To customize the other invoice details and payment terms, return to the branding theme on the invoice settings page. And select Edit from the Options menu in the branding theme you want to customize. This gives lots of options to customize the look and content of your invoices in Xero, such as adding your business address and contact details, whether a payment advice slip is to be included, and even the font used. And not forgetting the option to detail payment terms.
Okay, got it. Thanks for that. My next question is, how do I set up email templates to send with invoices emailed to clients?
Hey, that's a great one. From the Settings menu, choose Email Settings this time. And from here, you can add and edit the email addresses Xero will use when sending emails, as well as the email templates themselves. This can be by editing the text itself, or by adding placeholders, which insert specific data from a list of fields available from Xero. With this flexibility, you can create custom email templates to suit a variety of situations, including personalizing messages and adding tailored payment instructions. This will save you time and ensure consistent messaging.
That's great. Is there anything else I should know?
Yes. A really useful feature to add is invoice reminders. With these, you can set reminder emails to be sent automatically when certain conditions are met. For example, when an invoice is still outstanding 7 days after the due payment date.
Interesting.
To switch on and use this feature, we first select the Invoice Reminders button on the Invoice Settings page. Now tick this box to activate reminders, which then shows the options for customization. By choosing Edit on one of the reminder emails, we drill into the email text and settings, allowing us to change this as required by editing the body of text, or by adding fields from the placeholder menu. This gives a lot of flexibility to set the content and timeline for reminders to meet the needs of your own business.
That sounds like a really useful feature.
It is, as it not only helps get invoices paid faster, improving business cash flow, but can also save lots of time, otherwise spent following up on unpaid invoices manually. But it's really important to make sure to match payments received with the related invoices as quickly as possible, as sending out payment reminders for invoices that have actually been paid can look very unprofessional.
Thanks, Avi. I will remember that tip.
You're welcome.
And I think I'm now ready to set up invoicing in Xero for my business.
That's great. Finally, remember to test your invoicing system before sending invoices to clients. This will ensure that everything is set up correctly and avoid any errors or confusion. Let me know how you get on. And bye for now. Well, that's us come to the end of our video on customizing invoicing in Xero. I hope you found it of value. And you can check out the details below for additional information. Thanks for watching. And see you again soon.